Alright. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. Right? It's been a long minute. So today, I'm just doing this recipe that I actually got from another YouTuber. Shout out to Des Davila. It's a recipe that she made from her family that looked really good. So I'm going to try that out today. So it's a 4 cheese, shrimp, and salmon ravioli. So let's get started. So I already washed my hands. So the shrimp, I had the frosting in here from earlier, which should be good now. I used 2 bags of extra large shrimp. Extra large. And then I have the salmon over there, the frosting. Cut up the peppers and onions. And let the water boil for the ravioli. Feel it on my booty, feel it on my booty. Oh.
And I, oh.
Just kidding, guys. Alright, so this looks pretty colorful. I think I need more green here. The way I'm cutting it, don't cut your peppers like this. Cut them however you want, but not like this. I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. I don't want to use all of it. Mess pile. Stay tuned. You know I always put my dance in here. I'm sweating my face off right now, guys. So the raviolis are done. You just have to drain them. Drain. It is hot as shit. Alright, so that is going everywhere. That's all water. Alright, so all the raviolis are drained. I'm going to put them into my pan, which is right here. Peppers and onions over. It's so hot. Alright, so these are drained. So what we're going to do is, she said the raviolis go at the bottom. Drain those. Okay, so I have the raviolis at the bottom and then the salmon. So I'm going to place some salmon. There. Hey guys, I've got the Caesar salad here made. I made this off camera, put that together. The garlic bread is done. Usually I'll sprinkle some like cheese on top, but I use all the cheese for the salad. I'm opening this up with you right now, so let's see. Oh my god, this looks amazing. That looks really good. Now I just gotta let you know how it tastes. I'm sitting in the dark. I'm trying to wipe my face off. Thank you, Des Davila, for this recipe because it is banging. I love it. Thanks, girl. I'm about to put the link to her video in my description, or I might put a little video clip here so you can watch her video in the background. Go check her page out. I said, you know what? I started watching her. And I'm so happy for this meal because it came out so good. Thanks, girl. Bye.